Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Awesome Ashish. So today we are back with another unboxing video. So as you can see, today we have got Hot Wheels Premium Team Transport, and this is Volkswagen Classic Bug and the Volkswagen Transporter T1 pickup. So you can see it had, when this came, this also had these cards on the set, which unfortunately I didn't got it. So I got this one, and I paid 1500 rupees for this. So usually you will get this between 1500 and 2000. So make sure pay only this much and not extra. Okay. So let's go and unbox it. So I think the card is already it's in bad condition. So I don't want to keep this card. So I will just crack it open. Okay. All right. All right, here we go. Just remove it to the side, and here's the car. Okay. All right, so we have got the car out. So let's just check this first. So this is also Volkswagen, so let's see. It looks really good. It's moon eyes, so you just check on the bottom. Has metal chassis, and you can see this is a kind of different chassis. So it says Volkswagen Classic Bug, and it was made in Thailand, and first it was made in 2018, and the detailing here is really good. And it has rubber wheels, which is good, but doesn't look, wheels are not that good, from the front it doesn't look that good, but still, since it has rubber wheels, it has some quality. So you can see it has Moon Eyes logo over here. That is good. You can see some other details there. Painted, it's looking good, and the side yellow and black does look good. In the front we have painted lights. What does it say? You can see Volkswagen logo over here, which is good, and this tiny details making it good. Front you can see those are wipers, which are already on the glass. This side, same thing. Back, it has really good details. You can see the plate number. It says YOLO Mono. Not sure what does mean. And you can see the backlights. It's also painted. It is looking good. Back, the top. Overall, it does look good. And I believe this, we can open it. Does look like you can open it. Let me try. No, it doesn't open, but yeah, it has a good details. So overall, it has really good details. Just keep it side, and let's just check this truck. It has metal chassis as well. It says Volkswagen Transporter T1 pickup. Also made in Thailand, and it was first made in 2017, and details are good. It says go with the moon on the side, and then it says accessories, wheels, moon tanks, moon discs. Wheels are really good. These also are rubber wheels, and it has like a good finishing over here. The front you can see that classic Volkswagen design. Here's a Volkswagen logo, painted lights. These are looking good. Side again the same thing. At the back you can see the LEDs, not the LEDs, the painted lights. And this is the part, let's just see, goes front here. Okay, so this is base. You can put your cards over here and then you can slide it back, like that, and we can keep our card here. This, once it's here, then you can slide it and you can keep it like this. So it does look really good. Overall it does look really good. Yeah, so if you are getting this for 1500, then I would say definitely go for it. But yeah, don't pay too much for this. I believe when it was introduced first time, it was I think around 1000, but yeah, for 1500 I got it. So do not pay too much for this, because this is a tiny one, 64 scale only. There's a more team transporter which are bigger in size, so maybe you can get those and pay only 2000, not that more than that. And that's my opinion, but I don't think you should pay more. So that was all for this videos, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe and comment, and I will bring some more videos. Bye bye.